Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add voiceover now, so open your Canva design and pick the exact slide or timeline spot where narration must start. Connect and test your microphone. Make sure input levels sit below clipping to keep audio clean. Once the mic is recognized, choose Uploads, then record yourself or hit the record button on the timeline. This begins live capture. Speak clearly and at a natural pace so Canva captures usable takes. And remember, you can re-record that single slide if it needs improvement. Once you have a recording, trim the start and end to remove dead space and use Canva's noise reduction if available. This keeps the narration focused. Drag the voice clip on the timeline and snap it to the exact in and out points of your visuals so timing matches actions and transitions. Make volume adjustments and add short fades to avoid abruptness. If you include background music, reduce it by around 10 decibels so the voice remains clear and dominant throughout. Before you export, play the entire video to confirm sync, pacing, and audio levels across all slides. This is the easiest way to catch mismatches. Export using a high audio bitrate, 128 kbps or higher, so voice clarity holds up on various platforms. If you run into problems, re-record the specific slide, clear your browser cache, or switch browsers, because device or browser permissions often block mic access. Otherwise, upload a separate MP3 and align it on the timeline as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.